Goals and objectives. This section of the relational FIRE process is truly the moment when you can take your third lighter and light a fire that will warm your home. You now have an opportunity to contemplate which goals you wish to accomplish in the relational FIRES portion of FIRES. In this section, you will be using a model for goal setting that involves identifying hurdles or challenges, figuring how you will measure your progress, and determining any timelines or deadlines for realizing these goals. Now, turn the page and define your goals for lighting and tending your relational fire. Set your goals. To set your goals, remember that you need to define your barriers, your index, or your way of measuring success, and your time frame. Relational. An example of a relational goal is, my goal is to overcome my tendency to argue with my sister, barrier, by giving her 5 positive comments for every 1 piece of constructive criticism, index, or a metric and measure, by the end of the year. That's your time frame. Now, briefly write up to 3 goals within the model framework above and then transfer your answers to the next page of your worksheet. On the following page, then, complete the assignment by writing the 3 necessary steps required, those objectives, to successfully accomplish each goal.